Hey guys, Happy New Year from Slices of Pie. I'm Paul.
I'm Amy.
And we are in Florida.
Finally.
We're going that way?
We're going right.
Going right, okay.
Going right, we better pay attention.
We are headed to the Florida Caverns. And we've never been here before. We're gonna go explore, see what's in there, see what we come across. Who knows? It might be scary. I don't know. But we're gonna do it, and we're gonna take you along with us. We have moved again. We are in Marianna, Florida, and we are at the Florida State Park Caverns. Check out this weather. It's New Year's Eve today, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go while the weather's still nice, because it's hot out here. It's pretty muggy, but it's gonna get warm, and we're gonna go and tour the caverns today. But quick look at my site here. There's my cat, just kind of hanging out. He was chasing frogs last night. Look at the size of this pad. This pad's pretty huge. It's a really nice little campground here. And we have not full hookups. We have power and water, but look at this. We have a big clothesline here. And if you look over here, like all this space. It's kind of beautiful out here, actually. We're really excited because it's our first day in Florida. We're going to be spending the entire winter here. So we're going to be going to all kinds of different locations. We are going to really take in this spot. There it is. Anyway, enough of my campsite. Let's go to the caverns. All right, we're there. And this is the entrance to it is right over there, and it's got this really cool shirtless guy.
He's a CCC worker. Standing
out front. Looks like he's the real ladies' man.
The Civilian Conservation Corps. From 1933 to 1942. So, you know, like real people had to come out here and like forge this. Oh,
they're not natural?
Yeah, the lodge just grew right out of the ground.
It looks like it.
It looks like it was built in 1933.
Yeah, it looks pretty rustic.
It's pretty haunted.
Ooh, that might make the caverns even more exciting. We're going in. Looks dark. Looks creepy.
We're in a tight spot.
That was awesome. What did you think?
I really liked it. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was very, you know, the nice thing about caves is on a hot day, it's a great way to cool down. But if you guys check out our Black Hills video, we went in a cave there too. I'll add a card up here. They have a gift shop. So we're gonna go see if we can find a cool sticker or something.
I think they have patches too.
Patches to add to Amy's life jacket.
Which one's the kayak? This one? Shiny.
Ooh, I think I like the white one better.
All right.
Does that go on your hat? Oh, that's almost a must-have.
Oh wait. If you don't like these, if you're more into the night creatures.
Oh yeah, sweet. Well, here at the state park, they have this canoe launch. It looks like you can rent canoes behind me, but I want to show you a couple things. One, for my safety, alligator caution. So you got to keep an eye out for the gators. And then I want to show you this too. Right here is a high water marker. Look at that. In 1975, the water level was up to the blue line right there. So like over my head, over my hand right now. I'm going to walk out on this dock, and this dock looks like it's actually going to collapse underneath me. Check it out. See how it's like right on the water? Yeah. So I'm gonna step out here. Ooh. This is like prime gator bait right here. They're like sitting in the water here ready to launch out at me.
You know, I think I figured out what this dock is actually a feeding station. So what they do is they lure out of state tourists like ourselves onto this awkward looking dock. It's actually a feeding station for some creature that lives in the water here.
It's very possible. They call this the Turon dock. Because the people that live here, there's no way in hell they'd go out on it. But the Turons, yes, we don't know any better. One of the things that is the draw to this particular campground is what they call Blue Hole. And what it is it's this turquoise spot of water that's like 30 feet deep on this little tiny river here that isn't 30 feet deep, but it's an anomaly and people like to swim there. So we're gonna go down there, and if there's no alligators, I'm gonna jump in. All right, so supposedly really cold, so but I'm gonna go for it. So Blue Hole, here we go.
I didn't go that far.
Got you.
All right, here we go.
Don't stop that deep. Whoa!
My voice changed. I think it went up a few.
Just put yourself down. You don't have to let out breath. I'll find it. Yeah, find it. Whoa! You gotta get right on it, girl, if you won't see it. Yeah. It's got that lime green.
It's actually not that bad. Feels pretty good, actually.
Cut. Did you see anything? A little bit. If you had goggles, I think it was fun. Yeah. Lime green.
You ready to go?
Where were they at? It was like
Yeah, I didn't think so.
It's right here.
Tonight we are gonna eat, what's it called? Bodine, Bodon, something that they eat down in the south. We got it in Louisiana, and we've had it frozen, but we're gonna grill it tonight because our site has this cool little barbecue grill. So we're gonna put it to use. We got some coals. We're gonna make some bodine, something like that. Norman's being all sneaky. Check him out. Hey, buddy. Are you watching people from behind that tree? Huh? Meow? Yeah? Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Yes. You sneaking up on people, huh?
Our last night of our 3-night stay in Florida Caverns State Park, and it's probably, what would you think? It's about 72 degrees at sunset. So one thing I can say that I love about Florida so far is the temperature.
All right, Cajun dinner, well, kind of Cajun dinner, complete. There it is. And I'm gonna have Amy take the inaugural bite, just, you know, because gotta test it in case it's poison.
The mashed potatoes are great.
Yeah?
Oh, this. It's not so different. Actually, I think we had a type of this in, don't get your nose out of Dad's food. Oh. In Texas, but it wasn't Cajun. It was something else. It was so hot. It's so hot. Really good. So hot. That's really good.
Well, it's time to say goodbye to Florida Caverns. We've been here for a few days, got to play in the Blue Hole and go explore the caverns, but as with the nomadic lifestyle, we got to hit the road. So, you know, one of the least fun things about this lifestyle is breaking down and setting up. So I got to finish breaking down, but we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for joining us.